Thank you, Tokir Sahab. I'm sure this has further delighted everybody here. And with this, we now request Mr. Umar Farooq, Chief Collector Customs North Region, to share his point of view and join us in the spirit of hockey revival. Sir, please.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome you all at this gathering of hockey players, hockey lovers, and hockey promoters. I also welcome the three legends of Pakistan hockey, Mr. Munir Dar, Khwaja Zakauddin, and Hassan Sardar. These three gentlemen had been a part of that galaxy of players who brought fame and name to Pakistan hockey in its days of glory. Ladies and gentlemen, I went to India in March this year to witness the World Hockey Championship. In the very first match, when India thrashed Pakistan out of its wits, my heart bled at this humiliating defeat. More so when I saw no spark in Pakistan hockey team. For a man like me, who had seen the golden days of Pakistan hockey and who carries a passion for hockey, it was a rude shock. The team consisted of players who were much below the required standards of professionalism and physical fitness. They looked more like a very ordinary school team which had no idea of international hockey. Ladies and gentlemen, the real dilemma is that we all crib about these unusual happenings but do nothing practical to improve the situation. The Federal Sports Ministry and the Pakistan Hockey Federation are sleeping over everything, unfortunately. With this pathetic approach, the Pakistan Hockey Federation is just like chasing ghosts in a house of mirrors, getting nowhere. Ladies and gentlemen, the two hardest things in life are to handle failure and success. And the PHF has handled both miserably. Instead of grooming players at the grassroots level, we have always tried to enforce irrational and meritless decisions from the top, which have been disastrous. Ladies and gentlemen, in this backdrop of illogical happenings, the emergence of Tanveer Dar Hockey Academy is a good omen. This is a nursery which recruits young school-going hockey players, mostly from Mufassal areas, grooms and polishes them, exposes them to the vigor and rigor of modern hockey, and prepares them for the arduous tasks ahead of us. The aim is to provide an opportunity to these budding youngsters to prove their mettle in the field. Their passion to play hockey, coupled with the gigantic training effort and exposure to the best hockey playing nations, is the only hope for us to regain the lost glory. There are no secrets to success, ladies and gentlemen. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. The idea of Tanveer Dar Hockey Academy was conceptualized some 4 years ago. The main driving force behind this idea was the former Olympian Tokir Dar. In present times, when everyone is indulged in a rat race, here was a man who was willing to work on his own for the love of the game. This was commendable, ladies and gentlemen. It is an effort by Tauqeer Dar to do something for Pakistan and the game that has given him fame and glory. Today, this academy has 70 young boys, out of which 4 boys have played in the Junior Asia Hockey Cup and were instrumental in the success of Pakistan. Tanveer Dar Hockey Academy, as mentioned before, under age 16, also won the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Trophy in India in 2008. This was by no means a trivial achievement. As if this was not enough, Tauqeer Dar wanted to venture into uncharted waters. He proposed that since the epicenter of modern hockey has shifted to Europe from Asia, we should send our boys to Europe so that young boys get familiar to European hockey at an early stage in life. Once again, we accepted this challenge. Our previous success record available on our website got us an invitation to participate in the four-nation under-16 club tournament in Holland. The next hurdle was how to finance this trip, as it involved almost 20 persons delegation, including the players and the officials. We had decided from the very beginning that no support will be sought from the government, and it shall remain a private venture. We therefore approached friends, businessmen, and philanthropists for sponsoring the team. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to narrate that everybody we approached, and most of them sitting here in front of me, never ever questioned the project and extended their support that was beyond our imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to extend my heartiest gratitude to these friends as they made it possible for the Pakistan flag to be hoisted as winners in the abode of modern hockey. Ladies and gentlemen, we must appreciate that in this time of gloom and despair, when the whole world calls the Pakistan a haven of radicals and terrorists, these young ambassadors have projected the soft image of Pakistan. They have proved their worth. They have proved that despite poverty, illiteracy and other social evils that are harassing our society, if given a conducive environment and little support, we can achieve everything in the world. Zara nam ho to ye matti badi zarkhez hai saki. In the end, I would once again thank all the businessmen and philanthropists who supported us, hoping that this support will continue in future as well. I extend my blessing to Tauqeer Dar and his boys for turning out this little miracle. And knowing Dar, I can assure you that he is not going to stop here. There are other horizons he dreams of conquering. I wish Tauqeer luck and pray that Almighty may give him the courage and wisdom to make these dreams come true. Ladies and gentlemen, we will not accept defeat. We will work hard to reclaim the lost glory of hockey. I assure you that these young gladiators are determined to pay back Pakistan and clear the stains of defeat on our national honor by taking Pakistan hockey to the top once again. I'll end my discourse with a quatrain of Punjabi translation from Faiz's famous poem, निसार तेरी गलियों पे है वतन कि जेड़े कुठे तेरे प्यार दे ने उन्हां लड़ कदों तेरा छड्डना है नीवी पा के उन्हां नहीं बह रहना तेशे नाल पहाड़ां नूं वड्डना है. I thank you all and request everybody to please give a standing ovation to the sponsors of the cause and above all to our young victorious heroes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody around. As it was expected, not only that we are overwhelmed at this victory, at this beginning, and we are motivated to take it further. To mark this, now I request Mr. Hassan Sardar, who is unarguably the best centre-forward Pakistan has ever produced. Graceful and deadly. He played in the best forward line Pakistan ever had. One of the world records by Mr. Hassan Sardar that I always remember is scoring 11 World Cup goals, a record that still stands. Sir, we want that our team be honoured by receiving the souvenirs through you. Mr. Akhlaq Ahmed, the head coach. Mr. Abdul Wahid Khan, the assistant coach.